Israel arrests several suspects in killing of Palestinian teen. Several Israeli Jewish suspects were arrested Sunday in connection with the killing of a Palestinian teen, Israeli police said. Investigation continuing, strong indication a nationalistic incident, Israeli police spokesman Miki Rosenfeld tweeted about the death of Mohammed Abu Khader. Rosenfeld told that those arrested were Israeli Jews. Rosenfeld also tweeted Sunday that police have arrested a taxi driver from the north who admitted killing the girl Sheila Aden in Migdal Haemek recently. Background nationalistic. The 19-year-old Jewish girl was killed last month. The suspect is an Arab resident of the Galilee. The Jerusalem Post reported Mohammed Abu Khader's death came after the bodies of 3 Israeli Jewish teens were found in the West Bank. Israeli and Palestinian officials quickly suspected it was a revenge killing and condemned any such actions. The Palestinian teen's mother said she wants equal justice for her son's killers if they sentence them and demolish their houses and give them life sentences. It might satisfy me a little, Suhail Abu Khader said. The Israeli military destroyed the homes of the 2 suspects in the killings of the 3 Israeli teens. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Sunday sent his condolences to the family. Israel's Channel 2 reported, "I also promise that we will exploit the full extent of the law with the perpetrators of this horrendous crime worthy of condemnation and denunciation," he said, according to Channel 2, an affiliate. These kind of murderers do not belong in the Israeli society. Palestinian Authority President Mahmoud Abbas handed a letter to Robert Sari, UN Special Coordinator for the Middle East peace process, asking for an investigation into recent crimes against Palestinian people, Palestinian state news agency Wafa reported. Mohammed Abu Khader, 16, died from being burned alive and hit on the head with a blunt object, according to Palestinian General Prosecutor Mohammed Al-Ayoui, citing a medical autopsy. Al-Ayoui said, the autopsy discovered traces of smoke inside the lungs of the 16-year-old, indicating it was inhaled while the fire was burning. The teenager was heading from his home to a mosque in the middle-class neighborhood of Shuafat in East Jerusalem for prayers around 4 a.m., when 3 men forced him into a car and drove off. His father, Hussein Abu Khader, told CNN. The boy's body was found about an hour later at a forest in Jerusalem.